Hi, welcome to electronic stuff. My name is Itamar. I've got this dark sensor project using LM324 IC and LDR. Okay, the IC has 14 pins. Okay, the ground is the pin 11 and the VCC pin 4. Okay, that's the VCC and 11 ground. Okay, so on this side with 7 pin, on this side also 7 pins. Okay, the pin 1 is here. Okay, pin 1 from pin 7. Okay, pin 8 from pin 14. Okay, so the LDR, okay, is connected to VCC, okay, through this wire. Okay, and that's forming okay a voltage divider, okay, with this 10 kilo ohm resistor, which is going to ground. Okay, the voltage divider is going here, okay, to pin 5 of the IC, pin 5. Okay, the wire, the white wire is our pin 5. Okay, is receiving, pin 5 is receiving voltage, okay, from this voltage divider. Okay, and the pin, I'm using 2 inputs, okay, of the IC. Okay, 2 inputs, 5 and 6. 6 is the minus, okay, minus input, and 5 plus input. Okay, now I've also a voltage coming from this 10 kilo ohm trimmer, I think. Okay, the middle pin is going, is the is giving voltage, okay, to pin 6. Okay, to pin 6 here. I'm using this green wire to put some voltage, okay, onto, I don't know, onto the pin 6. Okay, minus pin. So this pin from the from the part is going to ground, and this outer pin to VCC. Okay, so these help us to have here a voltage. Okay, so that's a dark sensor. Okay, now the output, okay, for input 5 and input 6 is the output of those pins is I mean of those inputs, okay, is the pin 7. Okay, 7. So from pin 7 have a current limiting resistor, okay, to limit current, okay, through this diode, okay, LED, okay, to protect the LED. Okay, so like I said, the pin 11 here is the ground, okay, and pin 4 the VCC. Okay, so that's a dark sensor. Okay, I'm going to show to prove it that I'm telling the truth. Okay, the power supply is 5 volts. Okay, why is it dark sensor? Because when the LED stops receiving light, okay, I mean when the LDR stops receiving light, okay, from outside, the LED goes off. Okay, it's off. So why is the LED going off? Because when the LDR stops receiving light, okay, the voltage here increases, okay, here, and the voltage is now greater than the voltage across this green wire. Okay, so with light, okay, the voltage across green wire, okay, is greater than the voltage across white wire. Okay, but with no light, okay, the voltage across here, okay, across pin 5 is greater, okay, bigger than the voltage across green wire. Okay, so okay guys, it's working well. Okay, in the next video I'm going to add more components, okay, into it. Okay, so now let me show you the schematic. Okay, that's the schematic. Okay, so here's the LDR, the 10 kilo ohm resistor here, 5 volts, okay, is here. The LM324, okay, pin 5 plus, pin 6 minus, the pot, okay, going to 5 volts, ground, input pin 7 with the current limiting resistor, yeah. The LED, okay, the red LED, okay, and here with the ground. Okay, so pin 11 and 4 is to feed, okay, the IC. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and I see you.